If you have an existing membership with Integris, you can now open a sub-account under those memberships. The first thing you want to do is determine which membership you wish to open the sub-account under. Please be advised that the sub-account will inherit all of the signing authorities under that membership. As an example, if I was to open a sub-account under this membership, and this membership was joint with someone, that sub-account will also be accessible by that joint person. If I was to open an account under this membership, and this membership was simply in a single person name, then that sub-account will also simply be accessible by that single person. To open a sub-account, you're going to navigate to Account Services and open a new account. You will then need to decide which type of account you wish to open. Are you looking at opening a savings account or a checking account? If you're unsure which type of checking account or savings account to open, you may click here to view all of the different types of checking accounts and savings account we have for personal, or if you're opening a business, you may click here. This will take you to our website, so you may review the types of accounts that we have. Once you've decided, you may then click on the type of account you wish to open. You will see the accounts available. Simply click on the account type you wish to open up. The following screen will appear. You may change the name of your account to something meaningful. There are only so many characters allowed. You do need to put in an initial deposit, even if that initial deposit to open the account is going to be $0. If you put in an amount, the system will transfer that amount from the account of your choosing to the new account you're opening at the same time. Even if the initial deposit is $0, you do need to choose an account to transfer from. Now, you must choose the membership to open that new product under. Finally, the intended use. Please pick the intended use that best describes, as close as possible, the reason for the account opening. You may now hit Continue. You can verify the information, and once done, hit Confirm. You can now see that you have successfully opened a new checking account under the membership of your choice. If we go back to My Accounts, you can now see that new account opened under the membership.